I am back with my $50 mystery thrifted toy box. So I got this from a thrift store and it was $50 and it says you have to buy it to open. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. I will put on the screen how much each thing is worth if I'm not sure how much it's worth to see if the box is actually worth anything. And I plan on reselling some of the stuff to recoup my cost of the box and then using the other things as Christmas gifts and keeping some. So got a lot of plans for it. First thing is this Beauty and the Beast little like Belle collector porcelain doll. This is one of the things I saw through the box and one of the reasons I bought it because it is worth around $25 to $30 and I love Disney collectibles. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or sell it yet though. On like first glance, there are so many like pop figures in here. I don't know who they are, so let me know down in the comments who these guys are. I'm not sure. I also have my family here in the background, so if you guys know who any of these guys are, just shout out. Nope, nobody knows who he is.
Upon further research, I think this is him.
This, I think, okay guys, don't laugh. Is this Wolverine?
Hawkman.
Hawkman! I'm sorry. I got another guy with like a gun. Pew pew. I don't know who she is. Cutie though. He has like a little school uniform on.
Harry Potter?
That's not Harry Potter. That one I know. This could be Baltimore. Oh no, is this the X-Men guy? That's like usually in a wheelchair? Oh my gosh, I can't wait for the internet to be like, it's this! This guy.
It's like a pirate.
This kind of looks like maybe Black Widow? Or no. Maybe. Oh, and I know her too. She's Kamala. She's from the
Miss Marvel.
Miss Marvel. I love Miss Marvel. Oh, and I got one in the box. My Hero Academia. I used to watch this show, but then it got too many episodes, so I stopped. But this is pretty cool. There's also, oh my gosh, an Unbreakable mini cup set. I think these are shot glasses, but they're Disney, so they're not gonna call them that. A like new in the box, like vintage Star Wars figure. That's pretty cool. I got some like little Disney figures. Oh, these Doorables. I love Doorables. These actually I might give to my nephew. I feel like Asher would love these. Like the little, he loves like little action figures right now. Another figure that's My Hero Academia. Then, oh, a little Yoshi. Doorables. If anybody needs Doorables, hit me up. Doorables. I think I might have the whole collection now. Guessed it. More Doorables. This is cool. A Super Mario Maker metal lunchbox.
Is there anything inside?
We're gonna check. No, but you know what it is? A perfect place for all my Doorables. But no, actually my husband loves Mario and like collectible type stuff, so I'm probably going to give this to him for Christmas. Don't worry, there's no way he watched this video this far, so he won't know. Then, oh, this is like a Star Wars like toy set, and there is stuff inside. Oh, it has like all the shit.
Oh, that's so cute.
Oh yeah, this is perfect for Asher. I might even save this because I feel like all young boys, maybe I'm judging, go through a Star Wars phase. Oh, this is cool. A little Nightmare Before Christmas Sally. I'm probably going to keep this for myself for a Halloween decoration. I really like this. A Star Wars vintage Hot Wheel. That's cool. I'm very excited to look up. Missed a pop figure.
Ooh, I like the shape.
I know. We don't, anybody know? Doorables in the box. Piggy Hot Dog to Win card game. Okay, these are not Doorables, but they're all just random figures, and I think I see a lot of like Pokemon and Mario. More Doorables, more Doorables, more Doorables.
Those are Christina.
More Doorables. So I'm probably gonna go through them all and find people's favorite characters and kind of add them to their little Christmas thing. I do like thrifting gift where I try to find thrifted items that you really can't get other places or would be hard to find to make their gift a little bit more special. And I feel like giving everyone like a little adorable version of their favorite character could be really cute. Pinocchio.
Yeah. I think that was wasn't that with the first Wii game that you put on the thing or?
Well, it says Disney 100, which was last year. Okay. So I don't think it's from the first Wii game. Okay. Elsa and Olaf. You can't really see them. We have Alice and Stitch. And the last thing we have, oh, this is funny. A Pikmin keychain.
Ooh.
You don't know what that is, Mom.
No, but.
Love how a lot of these were new in the box. I think I'll definitely be able to make my $50 back. And on top of that, have a ton of gifts for people and some stuff for me. So this was a win. I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for more thrifted like toy surprise box in the future. But I don't know if I'll ever get this lucky again. I would love to hear down in the comments if you guys have ever had a mystery box like this and had a lot of good luck with it, and where else you could find them. I found this one at Half Price Books. I'm on the hunt for them now. Hey guys, be sure to like and follow for more reselling and thrifting tips and tricks and more unboxings like this. Hopefully I can find more, and I will see y'all real soon.